Hello, my name is Carl Cook, and I'd like to show you the use of Fusion data. This video is for a first-time use because it will include the activation process for the product. So to start Fusion, it should be on your Start menu, Fusion Data, which elevates to admin level. And then we will be greeted with a login box. Well, that's because the Intellect Server behind the scenes, the foundation for Fusion, is a multi-user system. And so to log in, by default, it's admin with no password. Now, on first use, you will be greeted with a dialog that says the Intellect Server is not registered. Please register the server using the registration window that will appear after you click OK to this message. So we click OK. And here is a register server dialog, which has a server code. This code, you just merely type Control-C to copy it, paste it into an email, and send it off to sales@biocompsystems.com or info@biocompsystems.com. And we will return back to you an activation code, which you can copy out of that email, and we'll just do a control. Well, let's see. I've got the code for this machine here. It's a long cryptic thing. And so if we go back to here, we'll paste that activation code in and click register. And now the server is now registered and active. Now we can begin using the product. You should see that only one time, that register server dialog, just the one time.